Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A54s, and today I'll show you how you can bypass the Google verification on this phone. Now you can obviously see that the phone is locked, and I can unlock it using either the pattern, or if I close this, I can unlock it using the Google account. Now, assuming we don't know either of those, we're just gonna bypass this. Now, for the bypass, we'll need one thing, which is a SIM card. It doesn't really matter what kind of SIM card, just one with a pin. So I have my SIM card that I basically use for every video right here. It always has a pin, so that's what I'm gonna use. Anyway, if you have a SIM card without a pin, you can just pop it into a different phone, set up a pin in the settings, and then pop it in here. So once you have that, you wanna pop it into your phone. There we go. It will bring up this screen right here to confirm your PIN, so do so. And this will then keep us on the lock screen. So from here, we're just gonna swipe down. It's gonna just appear with a random notification right here. So swipe that notification down and then select the settings button. From here, we're gonna scroll down to, well, it's a different language, so that's unfortunate. I'm pretty sure I selected English, but it could be due to the SIM card being from Poland. It changes the language to, well, as this. But bear with me, it still should work. So we're gonna go into additional settings. That's how the settings is called in English, and it looks like this with these two dots right here. So this is it. And from here, we will now scroll all the way down to, where is it? Oh, it's this last option. I just kind of weirdly translated. Anyway, I'm gonna select this one, which is in English gonna say backup and reset. And from here, we will simply select let me quickly check. In English, it's going to say erase all data factory reset, which is again the last option. And then we're gonna select erase everything, which is again last option, and then erase everything or delete all, erase everything, whatever it says. It's the red button, and it will begin the process. So I'm just gonna let it run through. It is going to be fully automatic right now. It's just gonna perform a factory reset of the phone, which will take a couple minutes, so just be patient. And once it's finished, we should be back in the setup screen of the phone, but the phone at that point will be fully unlocked. And additionally, we can also take out the SIM card because it's not needed anymore. Okay, so as you can see, the factory reset is finally finished, and we can now quickly go through the setup. Now I'll be skipping through virtually everything that I can, just to save on time, but you can set up your device however you like. Now apparently I need to connect to Wi-Fi, which is odd, so let me quickly do that. Okay, so finally, as you can see, we can finish up the setup after we needed to connect to Wi-Fi for no apparent reason. Because the device is unlocked, we needed to get our time wasted because of Wi-Fi. Fantastic. But now we can actually just finish this off. So, should be right about done. And there we go. So, as you can see, the device is now fully unlocked. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.